Creating polished, accurate documents shouldn't feel like a copy and paste marathon. In this video, I'm going to show you how Nutrient Workflow handles the entire life cycle of your documents. Let's start with document generation. With document generation, you can automate the creation of documents by populating DOCX templates with live data from your Nutrient workflows. Just upload your DOCX file, capture your form fields with Nutrient, and map them to your template. From names, numbers, and dates to tables, checkboxes, and radio buttons, Nutrient fills in all the details, and you only have to do the mappings once per process. This is essential for repeatable workflows like offer letters, invoices, contracts, and more. We'll start by generating an offer letter, then I'll show you how to edit it in the browser, and finally, we'll secure a digital signature. This example process I'm running is for generating and sending an offer letter to a candidate. In this step, I'm filling in the candidate's information to be approved by HR. In the bottom right, you can see that we are on the Create Offer Letter stage of the workflow. This form is going to be turned into a PDF based on the DOCX file that I uploaded earlier. Here you'll see our generated document. All of the information we just put into the workflow form has been filled into the template. In this step, we are also able to edit the document directly in Nutrient Workflow. What's powerful here is that I have a fully feature-rich text editor built right into the interface. I have access to all the industry standard formatting tools like headers, text styling, highlighting, bullet points, and so on. With these features, the editing experience feels completely natural and familiar from day one. The real magic happens when I save. Instead of just overwriting the previous draft, the workflow automatically saves this new iteration as its own distinct file. This creates clean, accessible history of every version, ensuring we never lose track of the changes as the document evolves. In this next step, I am reviewing the document before sending it off to the candidate. I am acting as the original requester who filled in the form in the first step, but this can be assigned to anyone in your organization who would be approving applications. Here is our document signing functionality. I'll start by adding our candidate as an external signer so they can receive this securely via email. Then, to prepare the document, I'll simply drag and drop the signature box and the date field right onto the signature line. It's that easy, no complex coding required, just place the fields where you need them and it's ready to send. We've completed all of our tasks now, and you can see in the request detail page an audit trail of everything done so far. Here underneath document generation, you can see the document we created with the workflow form and both versions that we created during the document editing stage. Let's check my email, and here you can see that I received a copy of the PDF with the offer letter. This was automatically sent through the workflow process. I built this email to say that another email will follow with a link to sign. And here it is above. I'll click the link and then be taken to a page to verify my identity in order to sign the document. I'll copy and paste the code from my email, and now I'll be able to securely sign the document. For my signature, I can either draw it, type my signature, or upload an image. I'll go ahead and draw it and click Save. At the top, I can make sure I signed all the requested fields, and I'll submit this. I've also set up a final email that will send the signed document to all parties involved, so everyone stays in the loop of this process. Finally, looking at this side by side, the transformation is clear. We've replaced a static file with a complete document lifecycle directly within Nutrient Workflow, generating, editing, signing, and storing, all without leaving the browser. To see this in action for yourself, head over to nutrient.io where you can schedule a personalized demo or start a free trial today.